What's up guys, this is Just Team. Initia is a blockchain infrastructure project backed by Binance Labs and Kobe, which has recently been receiving a lot of attention. You can aim for an airdrop through 8 weeks of testnet activities, and it is currently in its second week. I haven't been able to upload many videos recently due to being busy, but starting with Initia I will be uploading videos consistently, so please follow along closely. As I always say, make sure to at least try the things I post on my YouTube and Telegram channels. The Initia testnet activities do not require any of your own money. It is done with fake money and has the potential to turn into real money in the future, so there is no reason not to participate. Even if you are not interested in every project, if you just follow what I upload, I am confident you will achieve good results. All this effort will someday come back to you as a great reward, so let's work hard. All the links to the sites and necessary information mentioned in the videos can be found in the video description, so please refer to it. Keep in mind that the testnet operations can be unstable and prone to errors. If the process is slow or errors occur, try again a few hours later. When you come back after doing something else, the operation should work fine again. Don't stress about errors occurring. This concludes the Initia Testnet Task Guide video. As mentioned earlier, there are many more videos to upload. I'll be uploading real-time task updates on the Telegram channel that I can't post on YouTube. Please make sure to consistently and diligently follow the tasks I upload to both my YouTube and Telegram channels. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or if there's anything you're unsure about. Thank you for watching my video today. I appreciate it. I hope you'll join me on the journey to financial freedom. If my video has been helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Thank you.